Okay, hello guys. Welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the screen recording app on your iPhone devices. So sa mga hindi nakakaalam, meron tayong built-in na recording device dito sa iPhones, no? So how do we do it, no? So for iOS devices, yung mga iOS 11 and up, so may built-in na siya na recording. So all you have to do is to check dun sa control center, yung shortcut dun sa phone natin, which is scroll up. Ayan yung itsura niya kapag wala pa yung screen recording, no? Go to the settings para mai-add natin siya. So dito sa settings, go to control center. Ayan. So dito makikita mo yung dalawang option, access within apps and customize controls. So dito punta natin yung customize controls. As you can see, we have a lot of items dito sa icons dito na pwede nating i-add dun sa control center natin. So you just have to click on the add button, yung plus sign. Ayan. Once na na-click mo na siya, it will be added dito sa taas, no? Ito, yung screen recording button. Once na na-add na natin yan, let's go back, no? And then check uli natin yung control center. So yung shortcut nun is to scroll up, no, or swipe up. So as you can see kanina wala itong button ito. So now nandito na siya, na-add na siya. So you just have to press this one, no. So para makapag-start na tayo ng recording. So in 3 seconds magre-record na siya. So yan, nire-record niya na everything that you do dito sa iPhone device na to, no. So yan, makikita nyo may red sign dito sa taas ng screen natin sa upper part, no. It means that it's recording everything na ginagawa natin. So to stop the recording, you just have to swipe up again para ma-stop na yung recording. Ayan. So may notification na save na raw. Na-save na siya sa photos and albums natin. So yung isa pang option dito sa screen recording is to include yung voice over, no. Ayan, no. So para ma-on yung microphone, you just have to hard press yung screen recording tab natin. So yan, when you hard press that, lalabas na yung microphone. So yan, it means naka-on na yung microphone, and of course lahat ng nasasagap ng microphone mare-record din kasabay nung screen recording. Then press the start recording, and 3 seconds mag-start na uli yung recording na. And again, everything that you do will be recorded, and of course pati yung voice natin. So to stop, click lang natin. I hope this helps, no, for those na naghahanap kung paano gawin yung screen recording sa iPhone devices. Thank you very much, guys.